Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. My name is Omotola. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please do well to like and subscribe. Today's tutorial is going to be all about this hair bonnet. If this is what you're interested in learning, please sit back, relax, and let's get straight into the video. So for this tutorial guys, I'm making use of my scissors, the satin material, tailor's chalk, and my tape rule. So guys, the first thing we want to do is to measure our fabric. For this particular hair bonnet, I'm going to be using a fabric of 25 by 25 inches. That's it, 25 inches wide and then 25 inches long. So let's go ahead and measure it out guys. The next thing you want to do is fold the fabric into two, then again fold it into four. That means you fold it into two and then fold it again into two. Go ahead and take the measurement for the roundness of the bonnet. For this particular bonnet, I made use of 11.5. So I'll be doing that measurement. I'll be taking that measurement round for me to get that circular shape for the bonnet. As you can see, I'm trying to merge it together before cutting it out. So guys, you can see we've gotten that circular shape, and as you can see, it's already into two. That is the main fabric and the one that is going to be serving as the lining. Though this bonnet is going to be a reversible one, so that we can use it the other way around too, so you can make use of two different shades of fabric. So this is me taking 4 by 4 inches. That's to get this shape. That's the shape that is going to be at the back of the head. That's that whole opening that is going to be at the back of the head. So you go ahead and stitch it around, stitch that shape round. That shape, like I said, is 4 inches by 4 inches. That's 4 inches wide, 4 inches long. You go ahead and cut it out, then you notch so that when you turn it, you're going to be getting a perfect shape. So after turning it over, you go ahead and iron it smoothly. Iron it for your work to be very neat. So the next thing to do is to get your needle and thread. We are going to be making a gathers round the circle shape for us to get our head circumference. My head circumference is 22. The thread should be 22 inches long. Well, it depends on your own head circumference. So go ahead and start to gather it round. So guys, to get the rope on the bonnet, it's actually depending on how you want your rope to be long. Like, it just depends on how long you want it, how long you want your bow to be long. But then for the length, it's going to be 2.5 inches long. But then for the width, it's basically depend on how you want it to be long. Then again, you go ahead and take the circumference of your head on this particular rope. So 22 divided by 2 is going to be 11. So we're not going to be sewing that part of the head circumference, but then we're going to be sewing the remaining rope for us to be able to turn it to get a very neat and closed rope. So the next thing to do is to get the midpoint of the main cap and then join the rope together with the cap. You're actually going to join just one part of the rope to the cap so that we'll be able to turn the other part over. So guys, you can see we already have it joined together with the cap. The next thing we're going to do is to gum the other part so that we're going to be having a reversible cap. So guys, as you can see, our hair bonnet is ready and it's looking very beautiful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.